Hello and welcome to Colin Bradley Art Cast. I'm Stephen Bradley.
And I'm a bit croaky, Colin Bradley.
Hi everyone. It's been such a long time and I wanted to jump on and check in because we are still here. We're still going.
Yeah, and I'm still alive.
You sound surprised when you said that.
Well, it's great because I'm still able to work and still producing some artwork and loving every minute of it.
Good. Well, I wanted to record something just to check in and say we're still here, we're still going, we're still producing stuff. It's been a very hectic, I don't know how many months we've had. Over my side, a lot of illnesses. It's been a really rough 3 months for us with the
You've
kids being...
suffered. You and the children have suffered, and Mims has suffered.
It's been a pretty rotten winter for sicknesses and illnesses, and it's really set us back in life in general. And we're due our third child in just over 4 weeks. So, there's been a lot of that prep going on. But I wanted to check in and just say there are a lot of things that are in the pipeline that hadn't been finished. And one really exciting one was a new episode of the podcast, which we recorded at the end of last year. I may as well tell you what it is. It's me and you, Dad, watching back your old TV appearance and reacting to that. And we got midway through editing that. So
I see.
Because it was a bit of a complicated edit. We're still editing that, and that's going to be coming out soon as a new episode of the podcast.
I look forward to seeing that. I know I was there at the time, but it was lovely and nostalgic, and lovely to see me with hair. It was really lovely, and she was a lovely lady. I don't want to spoil it for you, but we had a great interview, and it worked out very well, and it's lovely, isn't it? I don't know how many years ago now. I've got really.
I think we mention it on the episode.
Did we?
I think we do mention it. It's well over 20 years ago.
Oh, it's got to be. Yeah.
So I want to say maybe 23 years, could be, not sure, but it's a fantastic nostalgia hit and really exciting. So we've got an episode of that was already recorded. We've also got 2 product reviews that I want to edit and show. A new sharpener tool that you've been reviewing and looking at and demonstrating, and a new set of incredible soft pastels, premium soft pastels that were kindly sent to us. It's not an ad, it's not an endorsement, just a gift for us to show what they're like. So another 2 very exciting videos that are ready to go. I'm also working on a new portrait edit that will be coming to the school in the next week or so. So there's a lot of things. I know that we may be behind the scenes doing a lot of stuff and not having the time to do these podcasts to check in with everyone, which is why even for 10 minutes I wanted to sit down with your dad, get all the equipment set up, which has taken us 45 minutes, but we got there set up to be able to do this check-in remotely, and just give everyone a visual and a little bit of a message from us. But do you want to check in? Do you want to, from your side, Dad, how have the last...
Yes, well, I tell you what, can I spoil it or not? Do you want to spoil it?
Go for it. You spoil away.
Hang on. I'll show you 2 of my latest pictures, which I was particularly happy with. I hope you're going to be able to see them.
Oh, he's framed them and everything. They're in frames. They're on the wall. That's how you know.
Yeah, I've got them on my wall at the moment. I could have done that, couldn't I? That would have been a lot
That's
easier.
how you know that
I tell you what, I can't show you that one.
Pleased with the outcome.
Okay.
If they make it to the wall.
I'm hoping I'm going to be able to show you these 2. I just hope you can see them. Now, this was the first one I did, and I framed them up because I was so delighted with them. Now, are you going to see that? Oh, no, you're not, are you?
You can see the reflection. That's pretty good.
you got an idea. I've tried to do it so that you don't get reflection, but that was one. And that was my wife, Eileen. She found that on Pixabay, and she said, "Oh, I love that." And then the other one, we're going to have the same problem with this, with the lighting. This is
You can
not
just
too
see me,
bad.
can't you? Oh, there you go. Yeah.
So you'll be able to see them anyway. They're going to be shown eventually, but they are not class pictures. They well, unless you want to do them, but we're not supplying with the line drawings and that with these two. They're going to be really something that I've indulged myself in. But the important thing is I filmed them, parts of them, because the techniques I used in both of those particular pictures are new. I mean, based on old ones, but the new ideas. I mean, the portrait particularly was. What can I say? I indulged myself with it, and with the tiger too. I mean, I've done them before, but when you see me do them this time, it's for me. And I pull all the stops out, and to be honest, particularly the tiger, the water, the tiger. Now, when I got to that, I've done water before. It's not really too much of a problem, but as I was doing it, I was thinking, I hope this is going to come off. And then suddenly it worked. It's amazing how it does, and it just flowed. Water flowed. But it did. It just flowed, and I got a great kick out of that. So even at my age and my experience that I've had, you can still get that buzz, and that's what I got with these two. And it comes through the narration. So that's what's in store eventually. It'll
Yeah.
be a while.
Yeah. Well, exactly. Yeah. I mean, you know, there's quite a lot of classes that we've got in the
Of course, yeah.
in the backlog, but you know, as you say, these ones are trimmed down. They're not designed as classes to follow along, even though you can absolutely,
I
you know,
think
I'm
it's
sure there's a lot of our
yeah.
students
I think
that
it's
will
also
be able to do it.
I think it's also nice, Steve, to people to see what I'm up to. You know, see, I'm still indulging myself and enjoying myself, and at my age now, you know, when most people put their feet up and say, "Oh well, ready for the inevitable," I don't, and I think that's what keeps me going.
Good. Good. So I'm pleased, obviously, and I'm sure everyone else is pleased as well because they get to see
Mm.
you further your art journey and still see what you're producing. You know, uh, even at your age, which is wonderful. So I hope to try and do more of these check-ins. As I say, there's a lot of videos coming out, so keep your eyes peeled because we are going to be releasing this stuff that we've been planning and been recording. It's the editing and all of that that's taking a bit of the time, but we'll get there. We'll get there.
You
And
know, another lovely thing about this is that, of course, I've got access to all my videos that you put on, and almost on a daily basis, I refer to one or two and rewatch them. What did I do this morning? I was rewatching the shadow picture. No, what was that? The actress. I can't remember her name now. Evelyn Nesbit. Is it that one? Have I got that wrong? Anyway, I don't listen to them so much as I watch them, and they really. It's lovely to go back and be able to see these things. Evelyn Nesbit, I'm sure that's her name. She's but interestingly enough, a little while ago, I decided, because I really enjoy doing the shadow picture. I've got a new one coming up actually. You haven't seen it yet, but I'm going to be doing it. But I went back to the original, right from the first one. Do you remember what I did? And it was quite amazing because I picked out about 7 pencils. I think it was 7 pencils that I thought I'm going to need. In the end, I just used the 4. I didn't need those other ones. And that was quite nice to see that the beginning of the shadow pictures, which I thoroughly enjoyed them. They're great fun.
Wonderful. Okay, well, thanks everyone for tuning in and watching this little mini catch-up episode. We hope to see you again on another one. We'll try and do these semi-regularly. I don't know. We could have another baby soon, so we'll see how it goes. But I hope everyone's doing well, and keep your eyes peeled for these new videos and new project in the next couple of weeks.